Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a cute mermaid. Let's start drawing. First, I draw her cute eyes and her little nose. Then, I draw 2 ears. On her head, I draw a seashell like this. I continue with her hands. I draw her these hands holding her face like this. Then I draw Mermaid's tail. She has a beautiful mermaid tail. Finally, I draw cat whiskers. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use cream to paint her cheeks under 2 eyes. Then I color a seashell on her head orange. Gray. Pink. For a mermaid tail, I use dark purple to paint. For this part, I use light purple. Finally, I color these bubbles sky blue. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.